Good day, my name is Ngobile Shalembe. With Interaction 1, I'll be the student and Dirinhle will be the moderator and Zama will be the supervisor. The interaction can start.
Thank you both for being here. Ngobile, you wanted to discuss some concerns regarding your training. Please go ahead.
Yes, Dirinhle, I've been here for 8 months now and I appreciate the opportunity to learn, but I have concerns about my training. I'm often asked to perform procedures alone, even though my logbook and protocol specify that I shouldn't in certain cases.
Ngobile, you have to learn to be independent. We can't hold your hand forever. This is a real life training.
I understand that, Sama, but some procedures require supervision by protocol, and that's not happening. It's not about independence, it's about patient safety.
Ngobile, I see your point. Patient safety is paramount. Can you give us an example of a specific case where you feel you should have had supervision?
Well, recently I had a case where I needed guidance on a complex procedure. I asked for help, but I was brushed off. I ended up feeling overwhelmed and unsure about my actions.
Ngobile, medicine is about learning from your mistakes. You won't always have someone hold your hand in your career.
I agree, but when protocol and patient safety are at stake, it is essential to follow some certain guidelines. I'm afraid I will make a serious error if this continues to happen.
Ngobile, your concerns are valid and patient safety should always come first. Zama, it's crucial to strike a balance between independence and proper supervision. Ngobile's education is our responsibility.
Thank you, Dirinhle. I want to report these issues to the department head in my school, but I fear backlash from my seniors. I don't want them to treat me unfairly and refuse to teach me.
Um,
Ngobile, reporting these concerns is your right and responsibility. No one should face retaliation for raising legitimate issues. We'll work to ensure that your education and well being are protected throughout this process.
I understand your concerns now. Ngobile, let's address these issues collectively, ensuring both your education and patient safety.
Thank you, Zama.
We're going on to interaction two. My name is Didintle and I'll be the student or the mentee. Zama will be the mentor and Ngobile will be the moderator. We can start.
Hello,
Hello,
how's
Dirinhle.
everything going with your work integrated learning program and managing your schoolwork?
Hi there, Zama. Well, it's been quite challenging lately between my internship and coursework. I'm finding it tough to strike a balance.
Well, it's good to hear from both of you. Balancing work and school can indeed be tricky. Dirinhle, could you share a bit more about your daily routine? How are you currently managing your time?
Sure. I have work at the hospital from 7 to 3, and then in the evenings and weekends, I'm trying to catch up on assignments and prepare for exams. It's like I'm always playing catch up.
It sounds like a demanding schedule. Have you considered discussing your situation with your internship supervisor? They might be able to provide some flexibility or support.
I've thought about it, Zama, but I don't want to come across as incapable or uncommitted to my internship.
Well, Dirinhle, it is essential to communicate your challenges honestly. Most employers understand that students have academic commitments. In fact, discussing your situation might lead to a more accommodating arrangement.
I guess you're right, Nobile. I should talk to my supervisor, but how do I manage my coursework effectively in the meantime?
To manage time better, create a detailed schedule that combines both your internship and study hours. Prioritize tasks and set realistic goals. Make use of technology and productivity tools to help you stay well organized.
Well, that sounds like a good advice from your mentor. Dirinhle, have you tried making schedules before? If so, what challenges have you encountered?
I've tried making schedules before, but I struggle to stick to them. Any tips?
It's common to divert your schedules occasionally. What's crucial is adaptability. If something comes up, adjust your schedule accordingly, but ensure you make up for your lost study time. Also, make sure to allocate time for self care and relaxation.
Well, for me, I can say that self-care is something I often neglect. What do you suggest for managing stress?
Stress management is vital. Incorporate relaxation techniques like mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, or physical activity into your daily routine. It can significantly reduce stress levels and help you stay focused.
Thank you for the advice, Sama. It's reassuring to know I'm not alone in facing these challenges.
You are definitely not alone, Dirinhle. Balancing work integrated learning and coursework can be demanding, but it's also a valuable experience. Remember, your mentor and I are here to support you, and we believe in your abilities to overcome these challenges.
I appreciate your support and guidance. I'll work on communicating more and improving my time management skills.
That's the spirit I want from you, Dirinhle. Keep us updated on your progress, and together we will ensure you succeed in both your internship and academics.
On to interaction three, where I will be the moderator, Didinhle will be the supervisor, Nobile will be the student. Excuse me, may I have your attention? I understand there's some tension between the two of you regarding a recent meeting incident. Let's take a moment to discuss this and find a resolution. Student, would you like to start?
Yeah, definitely. I want to start. In the meeting, when I was presenting my ideas, my supervisor publicly criticized me and made me feel humiliated. It was totally uncalled for, and I didn't like that.
Hold on a second. I was just providing constructive feedback. It's my job to ensure the ideas are well thought out and realistic. If I didn't point out the issues, how would the student learn?
I see both perspectives here. Nobile, it sounds like you felt embarrassed by the criticism. Didn't they? Your intention was to help, but the delivery might have been harsh. How about we find a middle ground? Didn't they? Could you consider providing feedback privately next time?
I suppose I could have approached it differently, but sometimes urgency requires quick feedback.
I understood. Nobile, would it help if your supervisor acknowledged the positive aspects of your ideas before offering suggestions for improvement?
Yes, that would make a big difference. I just want to feel valued, even though my ideas need work.
Excellent. Let's focus on respectful communication moving forward. Didn't could you make an effort to acknowledge strengths before discussing improvement? And Nobile, remember that constructive feedback is meant to help you grow.
I'll work on my approach. I appreciate the reminder.
And thank you also for understanding.
It's important to create a supportive environment. If both you commit to these changes, I believe this issue can be resolved. Let's make our future interactions more positive. Thank you.